To lower the volume of an entire audio clip, right-click and select Audio Gain. Next, left-click in the box by Adjust Gain By, and type in a minus value to lower the volume. Here we've chosen minus 10 decibels. When playing back audio, the levels are displayed using the audio meters. When your audio is too loud and exceeds the 0 decibel mark, this is referred to as clipping, and Premiere will display red boxes at the top of the meters to show that during playback your audio is clipped. If you have multiple clips you wish to lower the volume on, you can go to the effects window and add the volume effect. Once you have modified the audio for your first clip, right-click on this clip and select Copy. Select the other desired clips, then right-click and select Paste Attributes to copy the volume adjustment to them. Lastly, if you want more manual control on the volume, left-click and drag the audio track to open it up and reveal a solid white line across the audio clips, which will control the volume. You can drag this line up or down to increase or decrease volume as required, and also by holding Command and left-clicking on the white line, you can set keyframes to increase or decrease the volume at certain points of an individual clip.